How to redeem Fashion Nova gift card online. Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can redeem Fashion Nova gift card online. So let's get started. Firstly, open up any of your preferred browser. Then in the search bar, search for www.fashionnova.com and make sure you are logged into your account. Once you are logged in, you will see a variety of options in your web page. Simply select the item and then select the size of your preference. Now click on the View Back option. Once you tap on it, it will take you to this page. Here, select Proceed to Checkout. Here, enter all of your information, your country or region, first name, last name, your address and other information. Now scroll down to the end. Here under order summary, you will see discount or gift card box. So if you have a gift card number or code, simply go ahead and enter here and then click on the apply option. So if your gift card have a discount or a reward, you will be able to gain it from here. And that is how you can redeem a Fashion Nova gift card online. Thank you for watching this video, and if you found this video helpful, please don't forget to like, comment and share this video. Until then, see you next time.